Hello, I'm in a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance oil life. So first, we're going to start the vehicle, wait just a moment for everything to load, and then we're going to end up using these controls for this in this display. So we're going to want to toggle over to this last option, which you can do with this button just by tapping it. So pressed it 4 times, and then we're going to scroll up and down till we get going down now. Now I'm on service interval, so I'm going to hit OK. And then scroll down again. If you want it to keep track at all, make sure this is checked. If you want it off, just hit OK, and it won't keep track of it for you. But then from here, you can also change how often you want it to tell you. 5,000 is pretty standard, so we'll leave it like that. But that's it. And then you can just reset your service interval here. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.